Meaning of Hillsborough.
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 Hillsborough. Hillsborough is a word that refers to a place in Sheffield, England, where a terrible tragedy occurred on April 15, 1989. During an FA Cup semi-final match between Liverpool and Nottingham Forest, 96 people lost their lives due to overcrowding and inadequate security measures at the Hillsborough Stadium. The event resulted in a major inquiry and a long-standing battle for justice for the victims and their families. The Hillsborough disaster was a pivotal moment for English football and led to significant changes in stadium safety regulations.